Hi foodies, happy holidays and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hi there, my name is Mawuena. Welcome to our foodie world where we bring you simple, relatable homemade meals. We are back again with another video and today we are making chicken sandwich. So if you're interested, stay tuned and let's get right into it. We are using chicken breast for this recipe. So in our saucepan, we added 1 cup of water, 1 chicken breast, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ginger powder and bay leaf. And then we allow it to simmer on medium to high heat 6 minutes on each side. After 12 minutes, you can remove your chicken from the water. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be in the description below, so do well to check it out. Moving on, you shred your chicken. But if you have a food processor, this process is easier. Just cut your chicken into small cubes and then throw it in the food processor and then you can shred it. However, if you don't have a food processor, you can use fork to shred it as you saw earlier. Now in our mixing bowl with our shredded chicken, we added 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. We also added some diced onions and cucumber. You can use any vegetable that works for you. We also added half a teaspoon of garlic powder and then half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and then mixed everything together. Now we are adding half a lime juice and then we'll mix it together, and then our sandwich filling is ready. This particular process is totally optional, and I'm also using coconut bread for my sandwich just because of how much I love coconut, okay? But you can use any bread of your choice. Once you are done, you go ahead and fill your bread slices with your sandwich filling. Picking one bread at a time, you fill it with your sandwich filling and then you cover the bread with another slice of bread. You can go ahead and toast your bread after this, or you serve it like that. I served mine this way, okay? So you can do what works for you, and just like that, our sandwich is ready. You see how simple this recipe is. Elevate your holiday menu with this chicken sandwich recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and thanks for all the support over the years. I hope you've learned a lot of recipes from us this year. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.